guys, this is Jessa and this is a quick tip for some social media. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am using a Windows computer. So if you are on a Mac and you hear me say Control, for you it will be Command. Just a final note as well, this tutorial unfortunately isn't for tablet or mobile devices.
Alright, so when I talk about the Pinterest banner, this is the area that I mean, and it's just located above all your posts or above your boards as well. So it's this size, and it's a really awesome place to put a call to action. So if you have a great freebie, like I have my freebie library sitting there for Brown Sugar, or you might have a special offer that you want to draw attention to, things like that are really, really cool to put there. So I'm going to show you how to create a banner for this area now. Today I'm going to be using the free software Canva. So it's canva.com, and all you need to sign up is an email address. I highly recommend it. I think it's an amazing tool. So once you're logged in, your screen will look like this, and in the top right hand corner I want you to click Create a Design and click Custom Size. Now the pixel ratio that I want you to type in is 660 by 371 px, which is pixels, and then hit Create New Design. Beautiful, so we have our blank canvas here, and as you can see, all of these beautiful base templates will pop up, and you can use these to sort of edit and make your own, so customize with your own branding. So I'm going to jump in and I'm just going to make myself a new banner for here. Alright, so I am happy with how that design is looking. I am making sure that, see how this profile image, it sort of sits over the image? I'm making sure there's nothing of huge importance, which is like readable down the bottom where that area is going to be covered. Now I'm ready to download that. So in the top right hand corner, click download, select JPEG. I'm bumping the quality right up to 100. Now this is a pro feature in Canva, otherwise just leave it at 80 because there isn't a huge difference. Hit download and that will download to your download folder. Beautiful, so that is ready to go. Now we're going to jump back over to Pinterest. Awesome, so in this area, hit this little pencil icon and it's going to pop up with a screen like this. We're going to select upload from your computer, and I'm just going to go to my download folder and I'm going to find that design that I just made. Now you'll notice that when I mouse over it, there's a red border. What that actually allows you to do, if you click that, you can resize your design. But as we have made this to size already, and I will pop those dimensions down in the description so you can reference them really easily. As we've already made it to size, I'm not going to be cropping it today. So I'm just going to go ahead and click save. Brilliant, and that has updated. It looks fantastic. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and have a lovely day.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.